I'm still recording. So I gotta stop and go. Can you hold this while I try to drive? Thank you. That's T-Bone. Not when downshifting, only when accelerating. One more takeoff and I'll stop the video.